In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percent change in Excel. Percent change tells you how much a value has gone up or down relative to where it started, and it's one of the most useful quick analyses you can do in a spreadsheet. Let's walk through it clearly and keep it simple. First, click the cell where you want the result to appear. This should be an empty cell positioned near your original numbers so it's easy to read, like next to your old value and new value columns. Selecting the destination cell first helps you type the formula in the right place without overwriting your data. Now, type the formula for percent change. The structure is equals, open parenthesis, the new value, minus the old value, close parenthesis, divided by the old value. In Excel, that looks like equals new value, old value, old value. Instead of typing the numbers, click the cell that holds the new value, type a minus sign, click the cell that holds the old value, close the parenthesis, then type a forward slash, and click the old value again. Using cell references keeps the result dynamic, so if your numbers change later, the percent change updates automatically. The parentheses are important because they make sure Excel subtracts first and then divides, which gives the correct result. One quick tip: if the old value is 0, this calculation isn't defined, and Excel will show an error, so be sure the old value isn't 0. Press Enter to calculate. You'll likely see a decimal, such as 0.25 for a 25% increase, or 0.10 for a 10% decrease. A positive number means the value went up. A negative number means it went down, and 0 means no change. Finally, format the result as a percentage so it's easier to read. With the result cell selected, use the Percent Style button on the Home tab, or open Format Cells, and choose Percentage. Excel will convert 0.25 to 25% and 0.1 to 10%. If you want more or fewer decimal places, use the Increase Decimal or Decrease Decimal buttons so the display matches the level of precision you need. That's it. Click the result cell, enter equals or new old, press Enter, and change the format to percentage. With this approach, you can quickly interpret changes at a glance, keep your calculations consistent, and avoid manual mistakes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you analyze your data with confidence in Excel.